Guys, what's up? Very good evening and a warm welcome to Vedantu JEE English channel. This is me, as you all know, your master teacher Nabamita. Quickly let me know, guys, are you all able to see me and hear me, everyone? Am I audible and visible? Today we are going to do 50 questions that are very important for the VIT EEE exam. Some of it you are going to tell me, some of it of course I am going to solve it. So let's get together and let's solve the most important top 50 questions. What do you all say? Am I audible and visible, guys? Yes? No? Hi Manideep, hi Rohit, hello, namaste. Just a second, I'm still not able to see myself. Where is my cursor? Yeah. Hi, hello. Very good evening, guys. Hi, Kovacs. Hi, good evening. Hi, Jagadish. Visible, audible, start. Okay. All right. So, to all the students who are here right on time, thank you so much for coming here right on time. Yeah, you guys are the best. I can see a lot of students here. So, quickly don't forget to like the session if you think that this is going to be helpful. And if it is really helpful, then also share it with your friends. Okay. And those students who are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. It will really help me. Okay. This session will be in English, and yes, I have already recorded the English and aptitude test. Don't worry about it. Today we are not going to cover English and aptitude. Today we will look more towards the subjective question. Okay, look more towards the subject oriented, that is chemistry related question. But aptitude and English I have already recorded. It's coming up tomorrow. Pakka. Tomorrow you will be able to see aptitude and English wala session in the channel. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Minion. Thank you so much. VIT ka syllabus JEE se kam hai kya? Absolutely. Yes. VIT is much easier than JEE. Anyway, if you have studied for JEE, then you are definitely going to score well in your VIT EEE. Okay. Why not today? Because I'm already taking a session, bro. Why would you want 2-3 session? It will be an overload for you. Also, 50 question is not going to be that easy for you. I don't want you to I don't want things or concepts to bounce above your head, right? So, one thing at a time. Today, you study chemistry properly. Tomorrow, you do the aptitude and English, okay? Alright? Chalo. Moving on, everybody. If you want to connect with me outside the class, then this is my Instagram handle if you want to, yes. And now, the first question, everybody. The reaction of but1ene with B2H6, okay? Followed by oxidation using H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, and sodium hydroxide gives what? Jagadish, please also understand that I do have, some amount of followers. If I have to reply to each and every student of mine who follows me, it will definitely take me more than 24 hours, right? Everybody texts me. So do you want me to leave my job and just chat with you on Instagram? Not possible, right? In a day, I also have a lot of work. I have a personal life. I have a family. I have to come to office. I have to also look after my house and then the social media. It's a lot of work. So it's not possible, okay? I try my best to reply to at least 5 students every day. I'll talk to you. Okay? Okay, some of the students are saying option B, some of the students are saying option D, some of the students are saying, okay, mixed reply. Okay, mixed reply, everybody. Chalo, acha, let's find out, everyone, what exactly is going to happen. Okay, what exactly is going to happen. Okay, say my name, Jineshwar. Hi, Jineshwar. Okay, guys. So B2H6, what will B2H6 do? B2H6 will obviously first it will reduce the double bond, right? It will reduce the alkene to alkene. Isn't it? And then what will happen? H2O2 and hydrogen and H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, and sodium hydroxide together. Don't you think that OH will be added to it? Yes. What will happen is OH will be added to it, right? Yes, that means that it will not remain as but1ene, but it will become but1ol. Very good. Absolutely right. Yes, it is option D that is correct, right? Option D that is correct. Very good. I'm super proud of you. Yes, I will give the PDF in the Telegram channel. Don't worry about it. Okay, don't worry about it. Very good, bombing. Very good. Chalo, moving on to the next question. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you. You are going to answer. I think that's better, right? That is better. Is it possible to have a session in Chitra? I do not know Tamil, sweetheart. I'm a Bengali and I cannot speak in Tamil. I'm so sorry. Okay, all right. Chalo. In which one of the following reactions a new carbon-carbon bond is not formed? Cannizzaro reactions, of course. Right, in Cannizzaro reaction, carbon-carbon bond is not formed. If you remember Wood's reaction, dry ether is there, and then what happened? R bonded with R, so there was carbon-carbon bond. Same in aldol reaction also. In aldol reaction also, there is a carbon-carbon bond that is formed. In Friedel-Crafts reaction also, we do see a carbon-carbon bond, but there is only Cannizzaro reaction where we do not see a new carbon-carbon bond formation. Very good, okay? Very, very, very good. Chalo, moving on. The product formed in the following reaction. Acha, CH3, CHO. Alright, let's try to do it. CH3, CHO. They are saying that first we have to add here HCN. If I add HCN, then it will be CH3C, then here let's say CN. This will be OH will get added here, and this will be an O, right? Then what will happen? H3O plus. Once H3O plus gets added, then what will happen? I will get CH3C. Then this will be, there will be an OH here, and then C double bond, COOH, right? Is this what will happen? This is what will happen, right? H3O plus this O, CH3, CO, OH, CN, HCN. I think I'm making a mistake here. No, it's correct only, right? There will be H here. No, not O, sorry, H. This will be an that's why. I was thinking that's something I'm making a mistake. Yes. Correct, guys? Makes sense? And then here also there will be an H. That means, what is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Option D is the correct answer, isn't it? First HCN. So what did I do? C. CHO, right? So CH3, CH, and then what did we add? HCN. So HCN was added. HCN was added here, right? O and H I already had. Then when I added H3O plus, what happened here? COOH it came, and then H was already here, and this was the OH, right? Makes sense, everybody? Yes, some of them are the previous year questions of VIT EEE. Some of them are. It's boring. Yes, bacha, when you sit in the exam and do it, that time you say it's boring, okay? That time you say it's boring. How long the session will be? I don't know. I have to do 50 questions. We will see how long it takes, okay? Very good, Subha. Very good. Sugandh, now you will have to get back to basics. Do you really think that we have the time? We have the time to explain all the concepts, all the things, everyone? You have forgotten your basics also. You have forgotten your basics also. Very good. Anyway, chalo, moving on. Nitrobenzene on reaction with SnHCl will produce. Oh my God, this is very easy. I hope that everybody knows this. Please tell me. Please tell me what is the answer here. What is the answer here? Nitrobenzene on reaction with Sn and HCl, it will produce aniline. One more basic question. Very good. Very good. Yes, it is option C. Well done. The saturation temperature of 20.7 gram of CuSO4 soluble in water is. Acha, do we know that the solubility of any substance is what? Temperature dependence, right? Yes, it is temperature dependent. You increase the temperature, what will happen? It will be able to dissolve more and more substances. So at 20.7 gram of CuSO4, we are saying that it is soluble. That means at the saturation temperature, it forms a saturated temperature. That means that's it. It has to be perfect, right? Perfect. This much compound you dissolve, 20.7 gram of CuSO4 you dissolve, it will get dissolved at what? The temperature should be 20 degrees Celsius. You increase the temperature, this much gram of CuSO4, this will also be increasing, okay? This will also be increasing. Mani Keshav, I'm not very sure, bacha. You will have to figure it out on the based on what is the percent, what is the rank, right? So we will take a look at it later. Sukesh, please refresh. It's not my mistake because I can see that most of the students are able to see me, right? Most of the students are able to see me, okay? Yes, Seeman? No, not only class 12 is enough, class 11 is also necessary. However, yes, if you focus on class 12, you might be able to clear 55 to 60% of the paper, okay? All right? Yeah. So this makes sense, guys? Does this make sense, everybody? Great. Amazing. Moving on. The increase in the solubility of sodium halide in water at 25 degrees Celsius is. Acha. Okay. Let's do this, okay? Increase in size. Increase in size order. What is the size order, everybody? First it is Cl, right? Then it is Br, right? And then it is iodine, isn't it? Yes, everybody. Right, guys? Right? Right? Shitao ki thoughts, I will tell you that also, bacha. Can you please focus here first? Everybody, focus. Please focus a little bit. You guys are not focusing on what I'm telling you. You all just want things that we are not talking about right now. What happened to you all? No, it's not A. It's not A. It's not A, guys. Acha, wait. Acha, so we can see that the cation is same, right? Na, everywhere, right? Now the increase in the size of anion. We were talking about anion here, right? And all of them carry what? -1 charge, right? All of them carry -1 charge. Right, everybody? Right, guys? Yes. Right? Getting it? No, guys. We are not talking about steric hindrance here. This is what? Sodium halide. Why are we talking about sodium halide? So, why are we talking about steric hindrance and all, huh? This is more related to lattice energy, guys. Hello. This is more related to lattice energy, everyone. Acha, now tell me, what is the increasing order of lattice energy? What is the increasing order of lattice energy? Because we know that more the lattice energy, the compound is less soluble. Yes? Chalo, let me write this down. More is the lattice energy. More the lattice energy, less soluble is the compound. Less soluble is the compound. Alright. Now, if I talk about lattice energy, the lattice energy order is, my dear students, for lattice energy, if you see, you will see that it is Cl has the highest lattice energy, then comes Br, and then comes iodine. So, if this is the case, then what will happen? Option C is our correct answer. NaCl will have the least solubility, then it will be NaBr, and then it will be NaI. NaI will have the highest solubility because lattice energy of I is the lowest. Got it? Clear? Yes. Okay. Alright. Chalo. Moving on from here then. Solubility of CaO, that is calcium oxide in water, is okay. This is very easy, everyone. Easy peasy biryani tasty, right? Yeah. This is everybody knows. Easy EPBT. Am I right, everyone? EPBT, absolutely EPBT. Isn't it? This is exothermic reaction. Absolutely right. It does increase the heat a lot. Yes, it is very exothermic reaction. Sugan, please check it out, bacha. What did I say? I just explained the whole thing. I told you that more the lattice energy, less soluble is the compound. Don't get confused. If you have to write it, you can also write it like this, okay? NaCl, then NaBr, and then NaI. Same thing, if you write it ulta, then this is what will be the answer. Don't get confused. It's just common sense. Just check it out, okay? Just check it out, alright? Yeah, but guys, examiners will give you slightly confusing, okay? Ascending order can also be written like this, okay? Chill. Yeah, you can also write it like this. Anyway, chalo, moving on everyone. This we have understood, very easy. Now, according to Henry's law in gases, an increase in pressure increases, oops. Very easy guys, very easy. What do we know is Henry's law? What do we know is Henry's law? C is equal to Kp, right? C is equal to Kp. What is C is equal to Kp? C is equal to Kp of gas. What is C? What is C? Very good. So many of you are answering. Yeah, so many of you are answering. Solubility, Henry's constant and partial pressure. Right? What is C? C is solubility. K is Henry's constant. And P is a partial pressure. So, as the question suggests, according to Henry's law in gases, an increase in pressure. You increase the pressure, what will happen? Solubility will also increase. Option A is the correct answer. Alright? Yes? Okay, moving on. Deep sea divers, they use a mixture of, once again, very easy, it is helium and oxygen, isn't it? Helium and oxygen is the correct answer. Which law relates solubility of solvents with pressure? Guys, tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. I hope you know it. I hope you know it. Everybody knows it. Everybody knows it, guys. Everybody knows it, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I really hope that you know it, guys. Someone is saying B, someone is saying C, someone is saying whatever they want. Can you please tell VIT portion? VIT portion, I've recorded the session. It will come. Chill, guys. Chill a little. I'm taking care of the questions. Please focus up here. The answer is Henry's law. We just saw it. We just saw it. The answer is Henry's law. Very good. Well done. Chalo. When sunlight passes through the window of your house, the dust particles, they scatter the light, making the path of the light visible. And this phenomenon is called as, everybody knows that it is Tyndall effect, right? It's Tyndall effect. The Greek term atomos means indivisible. You can't divide it anymore. This is also easy. Isotopes are the atoms of same element with the same atomic number but with different mass number. Option B. Very good. Okay, tell me this. Carbon 12 and carbon 14 are isotopes. Obviously. Obviously. Isotopes, right? Yes, there is no doubt. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Very good. Atoms of different elements possessing the same atomic mass are called. They have the same atomic mass. If some two elements have the same atomic mass, what do you call them? Two elements have the same atomic mass. What do you call them? Very good. It is isobars. Yes. Sorry. Change the option. Change the option here. But yes, it is isobars. Very good. In the beginning of the 20th century, matter wave concept was introduced by de Broglie. It is de Broglie. Acha. In India, a lot of people will say de Broglie. It's not de Broglie. It's de Broglie. Okay. What's his name? De Broglie. Say it. De Broglie. Alright. No, you're going to focus on the reduced syllabus, obviously, okay? You're going to focus on the reduced syllabus, alright? Yes. Moving on, can we know when we have session for important question for BIT? Bro, what are we doing? Am I dancing? Is the time to disco? Am I dancing? Do I look like I'm dancing? What is the name of the session? Huh? What is the name of the session? The name of the session itself, it's written the top 50 most important questions for VIT EEE. Now, I'm speechless. I am speechless. Like, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you guys? I mean... like, do you also do this in the school? Like, you go to the class and you're like, ma'am, may I come in, ma'am? And then ma'am says that, yeah, come in. Then, ma'am, which class is it? You don't know your class. You don't see the name of the session. You just come in and go as you want. Really? I am clueless how you do this. Anyway, next question. Yeah, time is running out. Let's not do that. Chalo, moving on. Okay, The principle of uncertainty was introduced by obviously Heisenberg. Everybody knows Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Everybody knows that. Right? Okay. Moving on. Argon 40 and calcium 40 are considered as, we know this everybody. Yes. We know this, right? Argon 40 and calcium 40 are considered as what? Isobars. Very good everybody. The compound which does not show simple ratio of atoms is, simple ratio of atoms, guys, simple ratio of atoms. Can you tell me? Benzene does show, acetylene does show, hydrogen obviously shows that. Sucrose is the correct answer. Sucrose does not show you a simple ratio of atoms, okay? Alright, moving on. Avogadro's hypothesis. Beta, please stay till the end of the session. I'll tell you about the reduced syllabus. Chill. Take a chill pill and focus up here, okay? Let's complete the 50 question. I'll tell you about the reduced syllabus before I end the class. I promise I'll tell you, okay? Now, can you please sit back, relax and focus here, okay? Alright, please focus here. Now, Avogadro's hypothesis relates volume of gases and number of molecules. Again, very easy, right? Yes. Guys, what are you? Are you astrologers? You only stay in the future, is it? Huh? Are you guys astrologers? Now that I'm taking care of chemistry, now you're sitting on my head and you're asking about physics and maths. The other day when I was taking care of EM set, you guys kept asking me, ma'am, where is VIT session? When is VIT session? Now that I started teaching VIT, now you started sitting on my head and you kept asking me, ma'am, bitsat. What do I do? Should I stop breathing? Huh? Should I jump off the cliff? What should I do? What should I do? You tell me. I know you need physics, but what can I do? I will try my best to provide you with some of the important questions in the Telegram channel. Do join the Telegram channel. But hey, I am not Einstein's granddaughter and I cannot teach you physics and mathematics right now. I will need time to at least prepare for those sessions, and right now there is no time, right? So can we please continue with chemistry? Chalo, okay, alright, okay. So the atoms of carbon 13 and nitrogen 14 are considered to be obviously isotones, isn't it? Yes, we know this. The particle size in a colloidal solution. Okay, this is from solution. I'm not expecting a solution question because solution is not a part of the reduced syllabus. However, by any chance, if one or two questions come, it should not be out of syllabus for you. Hence, let's take a look at it. The particle size in a colloidal solution is, you know the answer, guys. You know the answer. Everybody knows the answer. What do you think? Very good. Yes, the correct answer is 10 angstrom to 2000 angstrom. Clap for yourself, everybody. Clap for yourself. You guys are doing a great job. Now tell me, in ethane and cyclohexane, which one of the following pairs of conformations are more stable? For cyclohexane, we know that it is the chair formula, isn't it? It is the chair conformation. It is the chair conformation because everything is far apart. The moment they are far apart, they are more stable, right? They are more stable. Do you remember? And then for ethane, right? For ethane, let's make it, for ethane, it's going to be like this, H, and then we will have H here, and H here. What is this called? This is called as staggered. This is called as staggered, and this is your chair conformation. At these conformations, what happens is everything is very far away. Once they are far away, there will not be much repulsion and they will be more stable. So can we say that it is option B? Staggered and chair conformations, right? Staggered and chair conformations will have the last. If you want to know about this, I have the session. The session is right there in the channel. There are 3 chapters that I have taken together: chemical bonding, atomic structure, and I can't remember another chapter. 3 of them are together within 2 hours. Within 2 hours, I've completed 3 chapters. Watch them, okay? Watch them. Chalo. Moving on. Bhomik Sahu, how are you? So cute. I want to thank my mom, my dad for the beautiful genes. God Almighty. Is this enough? Or you want me to do this more? Want me to do this more? I think this is enough. Soul Gaming, I have no idea, yaar. When JE announces, that time we will know, yeah? ठीक है? That time we will know when JE will announce, yeah? It will be in the news. It will be in the news, don't worry. Chalo, so this we know. How many hyperconjugable H atoms does this molecule has? What is hyperconjugation? What is hyperconjugation? You all know that delocalization of sigma bonds due to pi bonds and all of them, right? We know this, isn't it? So if we make the structure again, right? Make the structure again. Tell me how many alpha carbons are there? How many alpha carbons are there? Yeah. This is an alpha, this is an alpha, this is an alpha, this is an alpha. So here there are 3 alpha hydrogen. Yes. Here also there are 3 alpha hydrogen. Here there will be 2 alpha hydrogen. Am I right? Here also there will be 2 alpha hydrogen. So 2, 2, 4 and 3, 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Option C. Make sense or nonsense, everyone? Make sense or nonsense? Clear hai? Everybody, this is clear, guys? Is this clear? Yeah. Awesome. Chalo. Moving on. Moving on. Copper reacts with dilute HNO3 to form nitrate. It forms copper nitrate and what? And what? NO. NO. Remember? Yes. Option B. You have to remember that reaction, bacha. You have to remember that reaction, okay? Yes. You have to remember that reaction. It will form it will form NO plus H2O will also be there. H2O will also be there. Okay? Yes. Okay. 2-bromopentane is heated with potassium ethoxide in the ethanol. The major product obtained is 2-bromopentane. 2-bromopentane. Acha. Bromopentane is heated with potassium ethoxide. C2H5KO, right? C2H5KO minus plus, right? In ethanol, major product obtained will be trans will be more stable, right? Trans will be more symmetrical also. So it has to be trans-pent 2-in. No. Who said ethoxypentane? Nah. The major product obtained will be trans-pent 2-in because trans is more symmetrical than cis, right? So whichever is more symmetrical, that will be major product here. Make sense? Right? Chalo. Moving on. Which of the following reaction can produce RCOAR? Very easy, yeah. Very easy. RCOAR, right? RCOAR. So that means it has to be RCOCl plus H AR anhydrous AlCl3, if I'm not wrong. Oh yeah, I am right. Wow, I should only sit in VIT EEE exam for you guys. What do you say? Yeah? Explain previous question once again. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten? NCERT is very important, bacha. NCERT is always important. Yep. Okay. Chalo. Nice. Moving on. Which of the following ions is colored? Aha. This to everybody will know. Cu plus. What is copper's this thing? What is copper's atomic number? Copper's atomic number is 29. Right? 29. 29 means it is 3d10 4s1. Yes. If it is saying Cu plus, that means no unpaired electrons. So this is definitely not the correct answer. Cu2 plus 1 and 2, 3d9. If it is 3d9, one unpaired electron is there. That means this is colored definitely. Titanium, scandium, titanium. Titanium is 22. If it is 22, that means it is 3d2 4s2. 3d2 4s2. 3d2 4s2 Ti4 plus. Both of them will go. That means in the valence shell there are no unpaired electron. This is also not gonna give you any color. Vanadium, scandium, titanium, vanadium. Vanadium is what? 23. 23, 3d3 4s2. 5, all the electrons are gone. All the electrons are gone. There is no unpaired electrons to give you the color. So this is also wrong. Cu2 plus is the correct answer. Make sense? Make sense? Very good. Chalo. How do you remember it? Guys, 3D series, okay? The first series, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, copper, iron, cobalt, all of that. You have to remember how? Sachin Tendulkar. Write it down with me so that you remember. Sachin Tendulkar, very crazy man, free coaching, Nick's cousin, CUZN, cousin, okay? Nick's cousin. Yes, that's how you remember. If at all you don't remember, this was the trick. Okay? Okay. If a molecule AB undergoes a trimerization in benzene, its Van 't Hoff factor is found to be 0.60. The degree of association of AB is, acha, so AB undergoes trimerization. That means that we can write 3AB goes for something like this. Yeah. Van 't Hoff factor I will be what? 1 minus alpha plus alpha by 3 because trimerization. Am I right? No, alpha is already, Van 't Hoff factor is already given as 0.60. So 0.60 and then if we do this, it will be 3 minus 3 alpha plus alpha divided by 3. Right. So then 0.60 into 3 minus 3 alpha plus alpha will be equal to 2 alpha minus 2 alpha. 0.60, do this guys, do this, do the calculation. What will be the answer? Do this, what will be the answer? Option B you are saying 60%? Yes, because 0.60 into 3, 3 6 are 18, it will be 1.8 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 alpha. So 1.8 minus 3 whatever. It will be somewhat, the answer will be 0.6 basically. 0.6 is equal to alpha. That means it is going to be 60%. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Arvind, what happened? Venu, I am married. I am married. So stop doing all of that and focus here. Okay. I'm trying to teach you. Don't go all of that. Trust me, you don't have a chance. Trust me, you don't have a chance. Focus here. Not understanding. Yo, guys, you haven't you gone through this chapter at all? Van 't Hoff factor. This is the degree of dissociation. This is the degree of dissociation. I is the Van 't Hoff factor. Trimerization as in 3 molecules have come together. Okay. 3 molecules have come together, that is trimerization. If 2 molecules have come together, dimerization. Yeah? 3 molecules have come together, trimerization. So because what happens is trimerization. If it was dimerization, we would have written 1 minus alpha plus alpha by 2. But because there is trimerization, alpha by 3. So 0.60 is equal to, then you just do the mathematical term. That's it. Till here is important. After that, you just solve the equation, bacha. Okay? After that, you just solve the equation. Alright? Yes. Understood? Chalo, moving on. Enthalpy of the reaction CH4 plus half O2 gives you CH3OH is negative. If enthalpy of combustion of CH4 and CH3OH are X and Y respectively, select the correct relation. Anybody guys? Anybody? Yes? Anybody? Anyone guys? Anyone? Chalo guys, tell me. Yes. B, someone is saying, how come it is B? How are you guys saying that? How are you guys saying that? You know what? I'm going to drink some water. Till then, you guys decide. Do the solution. Do the solution, guys. I'm going to drink some water. A. Some of the students are saying it right, definitely. Acha, basically CH4, basically the equation that is given to you is CH4 plus half O2 CH3OH, right? So delta H, if we have to find, it will be what? Minus delta H of combustion of CH3OH minus delta H of combustion of CH4, right? We have to find delta H. So basically it will be minus del H of CH3OH, right? Minus del H of CH4. correct? That means that this is minus y minus, this is what, x. Am I right? Am I right? Will it be like this only, everybody? Or no. This will be minus of minus y. This will be minus of minus x. So, I am making a mistake here. 1 second. Y plus x. No. Minus the bracket. Just a second, guys. Let me solve it. है ना? This is right now. Minus y. So, minus y plus x, which is x minus y. X minus y. So, it's negative, right? This is becoming negative. That means that it will be x greater than y. Option A. Yes. X will be greater than y. Yeah. This is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. No. Minus y plus x. Yes, Alfin, you are right. Minus y plus x. So, it will be x greater than y. Yes, x greater than y. Right? CH3OH minus of minus y minus x CH4x minus y plus x. This will become x minus 1. That means x is greater than y. Yes. Yes. Everybody got it? Got it? Clear? Rituraj पहले बोला था. अच्छा, sorry. I didn't see it. Huh? Sorry. My bad. Yes, Arvind. You are right, bacha. Yes. Chalo. Moving on. Huh. Arrange the following oxidizing agents in order of increasing strength under standard state condition. Br2 Fe3 plus Cr2O7 2 minus. Okay, these are the ones. Now for E naught of Br2, Br is 1.09. E naught of Fe3 plus Fe2 plus 0.77. E naught of Cr2O7 2 minus Cr3. This has the most, right? If this has the most, then as the standard electrode potential increases, what will happen? The oxidizing strength will also increase. So it is Fe3 plus Br2 and then Cr2O7. Option A, right? Option A, guys, option A. Option A, with increase in the standard electrode potential, the oxidizing power increases, right? Yes. Okay. Moving on. Which is the correct order of increasing energy of the listed orbitals in the atom of titanium? What is titanium? Titanium is 23. No. Scandium, titanium. 21, 22. 22. That means it will be 4s2 3d. 4s2 3d2. So option D. That's the electronic configuration. 3s, 3p, then it doesn't go to 3d. The electrons enter 4s first and then it goes to d, isn't it? So 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. For the adsorption of a gas on a solid, the plot of log xm, the plot of log x by m, right, versus log of p is linear with intercept equal to. So if I draw it, it will be something like this. So the slope becomes 1 by n. I think everybody knows that, right? Slope will be becoming 1 by n, and this, my dear student, will be log k. This will be log k. So intercept. They are asking for intercept. They are not asking for slope. If they ask you for slope, if it is slope, then you write 1 by n. If it is intercept, it will be log k. Guys, log k. It's asking for intercept. Intercept and slope is different. Huh? Intercept and slope is different, isn't it? Everybody knows the equation, right? Yes? Everybody know. Very good. Log k. Yes, log k is the correct answer. Chalo. Moving on. In which of the following complexes the central metal atom is D2sp3 hybridized and the complex is diamagnetic? All right. CONH3 6 Cl3. Cobalt. Cobalt is what is the atomic number of cobalt, guys? Tell me. What is the atomic number of cobalt? Anybody? What is the atomic number of cobalt? 27, huh? Very good. Iron, cobalt, nickel. Yes. Hey, manganese, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt. Iron, cobalt. Huh, 27. 27 means 3d7,4s2. Correct? If it is 3d7,4s2 and then Cl3, that means it is in 3 state, right? It is in plus 3 state. Plus 3 state, that means 1, 2, 3, 6 gone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, isn't it? NH3, 6, right? 6 NH3 will come. That means what will happen is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? This will be diamagnetic, definitely. This will definitely be diamagnetic because see, it is taking D2 here. NH3 will pair it up. NH3 is not very strong field ligand, but it is okayish enough ligand and it will definitely try to pair it up, right? So, CONH3 6, that is true. Now, Na3CO, again cobalt with oxalato. What will oxalato do, guys? What will oxalato do? This is to definitely this thing. This is definitely paramagnetic. Oxalato will also push it. Oxalato will also do, I think option A. Option A, 1 and 2 only. Yes, 1 and 2 only. 1 and 2 only. Just by looking at the ligands, you can tell the answer, guys. That's your trick. That's your trick. H2O is a very weak field ligand. H2 will not pair it up. There will be unpaired electrons, right? There will be unpaired electrons. Yes? Not understanding. Acha. Atharv bacha? Okay. Chalo, not understanding. Let me tell you. Cobalt, atomic number of cobalt is 27. If it is 27, the electronic configuration becomes 3d7,4s2. If it is 3d7,4s2, then ideally we will be filling up d orbitals as well as s orbitals. But because I can see there is Cl3, that means this is in a plus 3 oxidation state. If it is in a plus 3 oxidation state, that means 3 electrons are gone. 3 electrons are gone, so 2 from here, 1 from here, that means it becomes 3d6. 3d6. NH3 is an okayish field enough ligand. It is kind of, you can say that it is strong field ligand. If it is a strong field ligand, what will happen? Pairing will happen. Then I see that D2 is filled here and then 1s, and then you see that NH3 requires 6 orbitals are required by NH3. 6 empty orbitals are required by NH3. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So D2 sp3. Are there any unpaired electrons? There are no unpaired electrons. If there are no unpaired electrons, not understanding. Guys, haven't you gone through coordination compounds at all? Shri, if you are not understanding, it's a very, very sad case. I would suggest that please go back and watch the coordination compound chapter or coordination compound session if you're not understanding, because this is very basic, okay? This is very basic. Please check out the coordination number session. Yes, Simha, you too, please. If you haven't understood, watch the coordination compound session, because right now, if you are not able to do this question, it is slightly alarming. Just go back and watch the coordination compound session. This is very easy. Very, very, very easy. Okay? Alright? Durai Raja, why are you spamming, bacha, so much? Huh? Why are you spamming so much? Don't spam so much, no? Yes. Okay. Now, moving on. Which of the following is a polyamide? Everybody knows it. Nylon 66 is a polyamide, okay? Which of the following order is incorrect? F is a very small atom, right? Fluorine is the very small atom. Oxalato is towards the end of the spectrochemical series, absolutely right. But tell me something, sweetheart. Will H2O be even more weaker complex, or will it be oxalato? Tell me that. Please tell me. Find it out and then tell me. Also here, can you see if this is Na3 plus, this is in 3 minus state. Can you figure it out? Can you do the whole thing? Can you find the solution? Find the solution, no? What do you have to do? This is what? Na3, right? CO, it is in 3 minus state. 3 minus state, yeah? Minus state, that you understand what is the difference here. Please do it on your own, it's very easy. Yeah? Very easy. Chalo, okay, moving on. Which of the following order is incorrect? So fluorine is a very chottu atom, right? If it is a chottu atom, then obviously bond length will be also very less, right? Bond length will also be very less. If bond length is less here, then Cl2, Br2, I2, it will keep increasing. As the size of the atom increases, bond length will also keep increasing, right? Absolutely right. Now oxidizing power, yeah, that also increases. We know that. That also increases, isn't it? Bond dissociation energy. See what they are saying, okay? If bond length is increasing, my dear student, as you go down the group, if the bond length is increasing, then don't you think that bond dissociation energy will decrease? Bond dissociation is what? How much energy is required to break the bond? How much energy is required to break the bond? That's what we are asking. So this is the one that is incorrect. This had to be ulta. This had to be ulta, isn't it? Yes. Okay, guys. All right. Moving on. Which of the following compounds cannot reduce tolerance agent? Acha, there is a slight this thing here. Okay, there is a slight this thing here. 1 second. It's not here. It's actually here. Okay. Anybody, any idea? Anybody, any idea? Chalo. Tell me. Nitesh, now you got it right, huh? This is the correct answer. Absolutely right. Yes. Which of the following compounds cannot reduce tolerance agent? Option C is the correct answer. Once again, it's not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be here. Okay. In which of the following cases the value of X is maximum? X is what here? Water of crystallization. Again, once again, we know whichever has the smallest size here, will have the most amount of water of crystallization. So option C, MgSO2.XH2O is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Dry distillation of sodium propanoate with soda lime gives you what? I think everybody knows this also. Everybody knows this, right? You know what? I'm going to give you this as an assignment, okay? Take this as an assignment. And with this note, I think I'm done, everyone. That's all. Take this as an assignment. I will be sending you the PDF in the Telegram channel. Do watch it once. Do check it out, okay? Everybody, do check it out. Please practice the questions once again, okay? I will definitely be taking another session of short questions, okay? There will be another question. I know I showed the answer. I should have deleted that slide, but it's okay. I should have deleted the syllabus, but don't worry, okay? Now, one more thing that everybody wanted to know is, okay? One more thing that everybody wanted to know is your official VIT syllabus. Just a second. Okay. Here guys, this is your official VIT, okay? Official VIT, this thing. For chemistry, if you see atomic structure, P, D and F block, coordination chemistry and solid state chemistry, thermodynamics, chemical equilibrium, chemical kinetics, electrochemistry, isomerism in organic compounds. Arey, why is it not going? Just a second, yeah. High weightage, I've already made this thing. I've already made a video regarding this. You will come, okay? It will come. You will get to see it. Don't worry. Then there is electrochemistry, isomerism in organic compounds, alcohols and ethers, carbonyl compounds, carboxylic acids and their derivatives, organic nitrogen compounds and biomolecules. This is your, okay, this is your syllabus, all right? About the high weightage chapters, about the aptitude, everything will come on the channel. Just stay tuned, my dear student. Just stay tuned. You will get to see all of it. Now, the question that most of you are also asking is how to this thing, right? Just a second. How to come on Telegram channel. So let me show you. Let me show you. No, Nitesh, don't comment all of these things, okay? Yeah, I'm quite old. Anyway, so you click on the show more. Once you click on the show more, here you will see that, check it out. Telegram channel. Do you see, guys, this Telegram channel? Just click on this. The moment you click on this, the Telegram channel will open up. Here I will be sending you the PDF of today's session, as well as the upcoming sessions PDF will also be sent here, okay? Alright, with this note, everybody, tata bye-bye. I will see you all very soon and stay well. All the very best for your exams, okay? Tata bye-bye. See ya.